Let's talk about the weather. Kunze kwakamira sei? What's the weather like today? There are two ways to express the weather. One, we say it is. Kuri. It is followed by a verb of what the weather is doing. Kuri ku and the verb. Or we use there is. There is followed by a noun of what the weather is like. So kune, there is. Kune, noun. Let's give some examples. Kuri kupisa. Kuri kupisa. It is hot. Kune zuva. Kune zuva. The sun is out, shining. It's hot. Kuri kutonora. Kuri kutonora. It is cold. Kune chando. Kune chando. There is cold. Kuri kunaya. Kuri kunaya. It's raining. Kune mvura. Kune mvura. There is rain. Kuri kuvuvuta. Kuri kuvuvuta. It is windy. Kune mepo. Kune mepo. There is wind. Kuri kuita mabanangana. Kuri kuita mabanangana. It is thundering. Kune meni. Kune meni. There is lightning. In some instances, you might not have a kuri version for the kune version. For instance, kune makore. Kune makore. There are clouds. You could say kuri kutibikira. It is getting cloudy. Kuri kutibikira. Shona.